Okay, so this is the most things we say I dey addressed my customer to do for their car, in order to avoid fire. You understand? So this is it. Can you see? This is alternator. Can you see the alternator? See wire wey be say dem bypass. See am. Dem say bypass extra wire. See am. You dey see am. You dey see the wire. Even the socket sef, you know dey okay. See wire. You dey see wire. See wire everywhere. Can you see it? See. Which time this one no go spark? See the battery. Can you see it? See the battery. See. Can you see it? See this one. You can see it. The airflow wire. Can you see it? See. Which time this car no fit catch fire at any time? Especially this battery wire. See as everything work. So I don't tell am say go and buy the complete wire. So if you buy the complete wire, it tell me say the motor dey off light. See, most thing like this. Can you see it? See the wire they don't condemn everything. Can you see it? So if your car is like this, it's better for you to go and buy the complete wire from the brain box. Complete both the engine and gear wire complete. So they will fix it. Your car will work perfect. Can you see it? So this is Akpo IK. This is say hi to them. Say hi.